Mate, what's your name?
Sean Marsh.
My name's Senior Constable Williams from Goulburn Highway Patrol. Mate, I'll just let you know this officer is recording.
Yes.
Could you just tell me just the brief circumstances of the accident as you've just described it then? Not your official version, just a brief rundown of what's happened.
Should I see a lawyer? I think I might see a lawyer first, should I?
On the 6th of May 2023, on a quiet country road outside Goulburn, New South Wales, a cowardly and premeditated attack unfolded. Sean Marsh, aged 47, lay in wait off Lagan Road in Crookwell, armed with nothing but rage and a pair of binoculars. Watching intently, he tracked his ex-wife Kylie Marsh and her friend Michelle Giles as they approached in a Suzuki. Marsh's twisted plan was clear. He attempted a deadly head-on collision, aiming to kill Kylie and himself in a murder scene. But instead, he struck the side of their car, sending it hurtling off the road and into a paddock. Both women survived, but were left with lifelong physical injuries and emotional trauma. New South Wales Police body-worn camera vision captures the aftermath, showing Marsh calmly speaking to officers.
Mate, what's your name?
Sean Marsh.
Mate, I'll just let you know this officer is recording.
Yes.
Could you just tell me just the brief circumstances of the accident as you've just described it then? Not your official version, just a brief rundown of what's happened.
Should I see a lawyer? I think I might see a lawyer first, should I?
Well,
It's a matter for yourself.
yeah.
Yeah. Have you got a driver's license on you?
Yeah. Like I'm
So you're the driver of this vehicle down here?
correct, yeah.
Mate, have you got anything else on you apart from your wallet? Just pass me your wallet there. Anything else on you?
No.
Mate, look, at this stage, you're under arrest, okay? You will be required to provide a version of an accident under legislation, but I'll let you know that aside from that, you don't have to say or do anything if you don't want to, other than, as I say, just to make it clear, things that you are required by legislation to do, which will be to undergo a breath test and to also provide a version of the accident, okay? But aside from those things, as I say, I'll let you know you don't have to say or do anything if you don't want to. Do you understand that? And I'll just remind you as well that any information that you provide, if you do or say, will be recorded and may also be used as evidence, okay? Do you understand that? Yep. Have you got any, you've obviously knocked back the ambos, have you got any desire at the moment to, i.e. jump in front of the next passing truck?
No. Like I should. I'm in too much shock to think about that. But
Yeah. So what we might do for now, mate, if you're not wanting the attention of the ambos, I think we're probably going to get them to check you out anyway.
Fair enough.
Because you're going to be in our custody, I would suggest, for a little while.
Approximately 12:15 today, Saturday the 6th of May 2023, on Lagan Road, cross of Woodward Lane, Crookwell, when involved in a motor vehicle collision.
yes.
And can you tell me what happened?
I was driving down the road, they were driving the other direction.
Which direction were you travelling
I
in?
was driving whatever direction this is.
Yep.
They were going whatever direction that is. So I'd say they were going east, I was going west maybe.
Yep.
And there was a collision.
Okay, so I'm just going to caution you, you don't have to say or do anything if you do not want to. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Anything you say or do may be used in evidence. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so when you say there was a collision, can you give me more detail?
Not really.
What part of your vehicle collided with their vehicle?
Looks like front right.
Of yours?
Yeah.
Collided with what?
I assume they're front right.
Right, are you injured anywhere else? Have you got any, like, can you take a deep breath for me? Be able to get out? Was there anyone else in the car with you? No, you're there by yourself? Okay. You right? Okay. Alright, I'll leave you with the police, that's all good. That's all right. Do you
Yes.
need another group or you... No?
Okay.
Mate, I'll just let you know I'm recording now. I'm just going to go and have a squiz at your car just to see if your phone and that's in there. There's nothing in there so far as medications that you're on or something like that that you'll need to take with you to so from here, mate, I'll let you know you're going to go to it'll be either Crookwell or Goulburn Hospital, probably Crookwell pretty close, just to get blood and urine done because of the severity of the
Mandatory
accident
testing.
and the circumstances. Yeah, so for mandatory blood and urine testing for drugs and alcohol, and then from there back to Goulburn Police Station.
Last 6 months.
Yeah.
So they've done what is.
Yeah. Yeah. So like I said, mate, just want to give you the opportunity as well, just to make sure that you know, if you've got any concerns or questions about what's happening, that we can help to answer those as well. So, all right, so I'm just going to go and squeeze in your card to see if your phone's in there and grab that. And anything else. Is there any significant value-wise, like, you know, $1 million worth of jewels or that sort of thing? No, nothing in there like that? No. Okay, all right.
Okay, so just, Sean, you do understand that at this stage you're under arrest?
Yeah, so you're clear, because you're clear with when I said that before, that, yeah, and as I say, at a later stage, there will be things that you will be required to do, i.e. such as I say, the blood and urine, and providing a version of the accident. But yeah, beyond that, you don't have to say or do anything outside of those things, which we'll explain to you at the time.
In the lead up to this violent act, Marsh waged a 6-month campaign of stalking and harassment after his separation from Kylie in December 2022. He followed her to cafes, shopping centres, and even bought tickets to the same concerts. Text messages revealed Marsh took photos outside her house and chillingly wrote, "You let him move in my house. Bad move." He went further, threatening to have Kylie kidnapped, held for 4 days, and killed. In a disturbing letter to his stepdaughter, he described her as his loving and caring daughter, all while plotting this deadly attack.
My name's Senior Constable Gannon from Yes Police Station. We're just going to take you into hospital now. I think the officer may have explained you've got to just give some blood and urine as part of the accident.
I don't think I need your bleed. I might need a drink to go that.
That's okay. They'll sort that down there. Just because you're going into our custody now, I've just got to do a quick search just to make sure you've got nothing sharp that can hurt yourself or myself. You haven't got anything in your pockets at the moment? Nothing at all? All right, what I'll just get you to do, just turn around and put your hands on your head for me. Just letting you know, I do have a camera on, so it is recording this. Okay, any conversation and any actions, yeah?
Yeah, are you up the right now?
I'm just going to gently look at it. Can you just lift this leg up for me? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, just gently got nothing there. That's you're right. And just the other one for me. You're right. There you go. Thank you.
In the Goulburn District Court, Judge Julia Bailey handed down a minimum sentence of 18 years, condemning Marsh's lack of remorse and refusal to take responsibility for his actions. Judge Bailey stated, "Women are not possessions belonging to men. Women have a right to live their lives free of such views and free of violence." Sean Marsh was sentenced for 2 counts of attempted murder and 1 count of threatening to kill. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support more public interest journalism, consider checking out Police Vision Australia's Patreon channel for exclusive content.